Cases of coronavirus in California.
Let's get to the latest headlines for you. San Francisco's mayor announced the city's first 2 cases of coronavirus today. Also, the Coast Guard is flying test kits to the Grand Princess cruise ship, which is floating off of San Francisco. The ship is under quarantine after the death of a 71-year-old Rockland man who died at Kaiser Roseville yesterday from coronavirus. He was on the ship before it offloaded in San Francisco last month. And the Senate approved an $8.3 billion coronavirus bill that will provide money for more research and a vaccine.
And more breaking news in this. Sacramento County has issued a public health emergency. This comes as top health officials say they have no idea how fast the coronavirus will spread. New cases and possible exposures are popping up every single day.
CBS 13's Anna Giles is live for us downtown, getting answers from doctors about how widespread this virus is becoming. Anna?
Yeah, doctors are now saying it's more and more common that you might know someone who was exposed to the coronavirus. That doesn't mean you have to panic. It just means understanding when and how you can be exposed. Coronavirus has sparked a state of emergency in California. Efforts to contain people who are infected are in full swing, but the head of Solano County Emergency Services says he's personally preparing for the worst.
I'm living under the assumption it's here with us. I'm sure I've been in meetings all day long. I travel as part of my job. I've probably had contact with someone that has been exposed to this virus.
Let's take a look at exposures in the last 24 hours. In Calaveras County, several people self-quarantine after possible exposure on the Princess cruise ship. In San Joaquin County, one student self-quarantined after exposure to the virus at a medical facility. And in Placer County, one man died of the virus, and more than a dozen first responders exposed to him are quarantined. So how soon might most of us know someone who's infected?
I don't think there's a good understanding of how quickly or how infectious this is. It does seem like it's quite infectious if you look at how it did spread in China, where it first originated.
People with coronavirus can have mild symptoms or no symptoms at all, making it a virus that is extremely difficult to detect and practically impossible to quarantine everyone affected. Yeah, and health officials say right now people should just be focused on the elderly, people with pre-existing health conditions. That's the population that's most at risk. So what about large gatherings? There's going to be a Kings game here at Golden One Center tonight, and we're asking the experts how concerned people should really be. That's coming up at 5.